Wake up, Addison. Big day, new city, new job. In my new Galaxy S24 FE with Galaxy AI. Let's go. I finally got this internship. Oh, wait, perfect selfie spot. Oh, nice. I can use Photo Assist to erase that guy and move here. Just like that. Ah, this is too fun. Ah, I'm gonna be late. Phew, made it. I can do this. Oh, maybe I can help out. Let me give this a try. Long press, circle the problem, see every step, and solved.
Wow, how'd you do that?
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
Time for a little break. Gotta keep my winning streak. The bigger screen, smoother graphics, and way less lag with this faster processor, it's unreal. Nothing can stop me now.
Entschuldigung. Gibt es ein vegetarisches Menü?
Is there a vegetarian menu?
Of course. I heard the potato empanadas are great.
Natürlich habe ich gehört, dass Kartoffelempanadas großartig sind.
Making new
Danke.
friends here will be easy with this. Love it. Almost done. What a day. An invite out? Count me in. Whoa, look at this view. Good thing I was recording. They have to see this in slow-mo. Let me quick share to the group. Now. Is it too dark here? Looks like it doesn't matter. Finally home. My phone lasted longer than I did. Wouldn't have made it through my first day without everything the S24 FE has packed into it. Oh my god, so worth it.
It's worth it. Like that.
The Galaxy S24 FE with Galaxy AI is here.